I'm going to copy and paste a Google Sheet from another link into my Google Documents. So the sheet happens to be in Canvas, which is a learning management system. So I'm going to go find the sheet, and there's a link to it. The link could be anywhere that somebody gives it to you. So I want this document into my own. So what I'm going to do is go to my own Google, log in. I'm already logged in. You're going to click on the 9 squares, click on Drive. Okay, so you could either put it in a folder or just in the main box. I'm just going to put it in the main box. So I'm going to go to New, and I want to match it up. So I want another Google Sheet because I want a sheet on the left just like the one on the right. I'm going to click up here on the top left and label it whatever I want to call it. I'm going to call it budget copy. So what you do is come to this original sheet. There's a bunch of different ways to do this, but I'm going to click in the top cell here and scroll down. So I'm going to select all of this, then I'm going to do Control C, or if I was on a Mac it'd be Command C. And then I'm going to come all the way up to A1, left click in here, and then I'm going to do Control V. And it brought over the same stuff. The format's a little different, so I'm going to put my arrows right over this A, click with my left clicker and scoot it out some, a little more. And now I have the same copy. And that's how you copy a Google Sheet from an existing one.